Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about 4y4.site. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. So here's the deal. 4y4 site claims you can earn free Robux just by completing surveys or downloading apps. On the surface, it looks kind of like other Robux reward sites. But if you look closer, things get sketchy pretty fast. According to this breakdown, the site's likely part of a scam network. It tricks users into giving away personal information, downloading shady apps, or filling out endless offers, and in the end, you usually don't get any Roblox at all. There's also no official partnership with Roblox, no proof of payouts, and no privacy policy listed. That's a big red flag. Plus, people online have reported getting spammed or redirected to even more scammy pages. Honestly, 4y4.site looks like a total scam. It's just like one of the many sites trying to lure Roblox players with fake promises. You're better off staying far away and earning Roblox the legit way, either in-game or through official promotions. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.